a bite job, just taken off this plaster. See, this was a bit painful for him. We've taken that off. And there's a little bit of a steady strip that's here. And this is because we gave anesthesia through that part. We're going to show you the sutures. There's tiny few sutures lying there. We're going to take that off. But look at this face. So this is the upper jaw. The bite please. Yeah, you can keep it with it. Yeah, that's fine. Now we're going to show you how he looked. And you can come up with this a little bit. Yes. Okay. Yeah, this is better. Just look down. Look down. Yeah. So you can see the improvement we've gotten in his facial proportion. Look at the length of his face earlier, and now the length is much more proportional. I'm going to go to every aspect of the surgery as we move from pictures. Right, let's move this one. Another one. Alright, now we're going to make him, so please that side. Okay, bring it forward. So we're also going to show you, you can have a look as well. Because you haven't seen yourself after we removed the plaster. Yeah, so you can keep looking in the mirror if you want to, but this is another view. You can see the improvement in the upper lip area, in the nose, lower lips, chin. So the correction has happened all the way from there. We've moved it, and you can see how that has been spanned out now. So that's on that view. You move the next one. Okay, here another picture on that side. Okay. Okay, that's really fully to this. And you can see again the improvement. We've also done surgery at the angle. So this is a curvature that he had. It's now going to be a nice angle there with a prominent jawline. Okay, remember this is only day 5. Okay, alright, now this side. You go to this side. Okay. Yeah. So you can see the difference on this side now. Again, the improvement in the proportion of the upper and lower jaw, angle, everything. Okay. Okay. Right. We also look up. Yes, so even there's improvement in this view. You have to admit there's a little extra swelling here because I told you we had a small tiny incision, but we gave anesthesia through this point, but that's going to take some more time to heal up. Otherwise the surgery was pretty much done on this much aspect of his face, just below the eyes. Surgery was also done in the base of the nose, onto the septum as well, also up to the ear on both the sides and the chin. So by doing this kind of an osteotomy, we've changed the positioning of the upper jaw and the teeth, the relation of the upper jaw with the nose, the projection of the nose, the way the upper lip was supporting the, the way the jaw was supporting the upper lip, and the way the nose was sitting on it, and also the dimensions. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's go to the first picture. Alright, so that's in short. Now we're going to ask him some questions because these are pretty major surgeries, and I say major because it takes many hours for us to do, and also because patients usually on some kind of diets. बहुत swelling है अभी. I hope you remember that what I told you, 1 week, another 3 weeks.
Yes.
Okay, and he's a gentleman who's in his mid-40s, so we're going to expect a little bit extra time for healing, and also we need to work on his teeth. आपको बताया था ना, remember? All your teeth because of the multiple earlier injuries and everything that you had. That will let you know how we take care.
It's good.
It's good?
Yeah.
It's awesome,
On the aesthetic price is fantastic.
Okay.
For my functional, like I can drink.
But you're not able to eat?
No, not at all.
Correct. So this is because, the muscles have all been detached. So for opening and closing the jaw, we need muscles.
Okay.
It's all, the pterygomastoid sling, as we call it, has been detached for you. The masseter has been detached, lot of muscles. So it takes a while for the muscles to reattach.
Yeah. Okay.
Then it will help you to be able to move. First reason. Second, what happens, This is splinter. Okay, so the commission. Now what happens is when we're doing multiple procedures, even that takes some time for it to get back strong. So I think you will have to give yourself couple of more weeks before you're going to be able to eat soft solid, not a really hard food, soft solid food, and your function of opening the mouth, speaking, talking, improve significantly, improve to normalcy like before surgery. Alright?
Okay.
And then anything else? What about your heaviness on the face in this aspect? There is some tightness is there. Okay.
And as you can see, I can't talk properly.
Yes.
Because of this tightness and heaviness.
Correct.
Maybe with the time.
Absolutely. Yeah.
I have give the time to but the aesthetic wise,
this is very
my family, my babies, all very happy.
All are very happy? I'm very glad.
Dada never changed. We were not the same Dada.
That's so cute. Okay. And we're also going to give you some nice teeth. I said maybe this time or maybe next time or maybe you can get it in Mumbai. But go for that because that will also match with the with the balance. And with regards to diet, I did mention 2 weeks soft solid, but hard diet you have to wait. See, a lot of surgeons worldwide put elastics, put bandages, put clips. Now I'm more conservative on that in the sense I don't want the patient to have that kind of a problem. But still, 4 weeks you shouldn't eat like really chewy food. That's something which you must take care because then you can expect healing to be faster.
And one more thing, today I tried to put some rice. I chewed, but when it went to that
throat, it doesn't move. Yeah, that's all because of the muscles that need to work. The function of deglutition. That will also take a while because we've moved the bones in a lot of.
And I can feel the teeth on teeth.
Teeth on teeth is better than before.
100%.
Absolutely. Yeah, the occlusion is much better than before, but it will take a while for the muscles to get back to the.
Teeth is understanding each other. It seems. We don't know.
That's nicely put. Yeah, we're making the teeth to understand each other.
Initially, there was only one white.
Now you've got multiple bites because we moved it in such a way to facilitate your function of eating better.
So that is the reason now. My face, my teeth are confused. What is going on? It will be okay. I know that.
It will be amazing. Yeah, it will be perfect.
Yeah.
So when do you go back? आपने कोई ticket book किए?
But I was thinking that you were going to do something with this.
Oh yeah, no, that was you had a crown before something that they will seat it back for you. But the definitive work you will have to do.
I'll do it there.
You can do it later,
Just do the.
That they will do it. That they will do it.
So tomorrow maybe I will go for artificial. After tomorrow I'll take a flight.
Perfect. That's good. We're good to leave the after.
Yeah.
You should be fine to leave.
Yeah. Okay.
All right. Take care.
Thank you very much. Very much. It's been 6 months. I was trying to get you. Something or other will come up, but finally when I saw you, it was like, I'm done. I'm not going from here unless I do the surgery.
Thanks.
It was great. My family is also happy. They have done big regards for you.
Thank you.
Because the day you operated, it was my baby's first birthday.
Oh yeah, I remember you telling me about that.
I was thinking baby's first birthday, but I said, he don't have time. I want to go to home.
But we delayed also a couple of days because I couldn't operate the day you came and all that.
But thank you very much from my heart. I'm very thankful. But each and every one in your hospital are excellent. They're very caring, nice. Only language problems, but they are very good.
Thanks again.
Thank you very much.
Take care. Bye-bye.